Hey there, welcome to your ultimate guide on mastering cryptocurrency payments on FundedNext. This lightning fast tutorial will make your crypto transactions on FundedNext as smooth as seamless trade execution. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Kick off your adventure at FundedNext.com. Here you'll discover a range of challenge models that match your trading prowess and aspiration. Step 2. Time to pick up your challenge account. It's like choosing your trading weapon, so choose wisely. Once you've made your decision, hit Start Challenge or enroll now. Step 3. Navigate to the payment method and click on crypto payment. You're not just choosing a payment option, you're embracing the future of finance. Step 4. Here where it gets interesting. A drop-down menu teeming with cryptocurrencies. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, pick your champion. Remember, not all cryptos are available. Ripple and Cardano are not available. Carefully select the right network for your chosen crypto. This is crucial, like setting the right stop loss for a trade. Click Next to continue your journey. Step 5. A pop-up with rules and guidelines surfaces. Read it like you read market trends, attentively and thoroughly. This is key for a hassle-free transaction. Step 6. Double check your network and wallet details. Ensure the payment amount is exact. Quick tip, crypto transactions might face network traffic, just like the market during high volatility. If your account isn't buzzing with action within an hour, FundedNext support is your go-to helpline. And there you have it, your route to make cryptocurrency payments on FundedNext. Simple, secure, and speedy. Thanks for tuning in. Now go make your mark in the trading world with FundedNext and subscribe for more videos like this.